Welcome to Week 1 of Digital Strategy and Action. In this first week of the course, we have 5 objectives. First, we'll define digital business strategy and action. Next, we'll look at examples of successful and unsuccessful digital business strategies. Then we'll identify key principles of winning digital business strategies. Next, we'll provide you an opportunity to brainstorm and evaluate digital business ideas. Finally, you'll get the tools to gather and apply feedback to your digital business strategy options. In order to achieve these goals, we'll explore digital business strategy through several readings and then complete a field research assignment. In addition, you will contribute your thoughts on this week's topics to the discussion forum and write about what you've learned in your reflection journal. Finally, you should complete the knowledge check and watch the wrap-up video, which will summarize the key things I hope you'll learn during the week and introduce the second week of the course. Let's start by asking a simple question. Who are the most successful business leaders operating today, and what can you learn from them? The short answer is that they are leaders, such as Jeff Bezos at Amazon, Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook, and Reed Hastings of Netflix, who founded digital businesses and have grown them at more than 20% a year into public companies with over $10 billion in sales. What these CEOs all share is that they have been able to conceive, execute, and sustain winning digital business strategies. This observation raises many questions. What is a digital business? What is a winning digital business strategy? And why is it important for leaders to conceive, execute, and sustain such strategies? A digital business operates by blending the physical and digital worlds. For example, Amazon lets consumers order products digitally, fulfills the orders physically through a network of warehouses and vehicles, and delivers after-sales service digitally. A winning digital business strategy makes key choices that generate significant revenue growth because customers are so eager to buy the resulting product. Some of these choices include which customer groups to target, which product to sell, and how high or low to set its price, which distribution channel to use, and how to perform activities such as product development, manufacturing, distribution, and sales. The reason for this strong customer demand is that such strategies deliver a quantum value leap, a competitively superior ratio of benefits to price. We can tell, for example, that Amazon has a winning digital business strategy because the company is growing at about 22% a year, while Walmart is getting smaller at about a 2% annual rate. If you have watched the movie The Social Network about the origins of Facebook, you know about the important distinction between conceiving of a strategy and executing it. After all, that movie left me with the feeling that the Winklevoss twins hired Mark Zuckerberg to build the social network that they had envisioned. However, it was Zuckerberg who took the idea and built it into a multi-billion-dollar company that went public in May 2012. What is most impressive about Zuckerberg, however, is that Facebook's IPO was not very successful, and its prospectus highlighted the fact that Facebook lacked a mobile advertising strategy. Without that, its prospects for continued growth were not compelling. By 2017, Zuckerberg had remedied that problem. More than 80% of Facebook's revenues came from mobile advertising. There is no greater testament to his ability to conceive, execute, and sustain a winning digital strategy than to note that in 2016, Facebook reached $27 billion in revenue, more than 5 times bigger than it was in 2012, after having grown at a 52% rate annually over the previous 3 years, while earning a whopping 37% net margin. This week, the readings, field research, and discussion forum are designed to help you to brainstorm digital business strategies, pick those best suited to you and your organization, and get feedback from potential customers that can help you boost the odds that your idea could become a successful business.